Hi guys, welcome to the day 1 of our yoga for a flat belly. So get into something comfortable and let's get started. We'll begin on our back today, but there's not going to be much chilling out. So let's lie down on the back. Just press your back into the mat for a moment and release. Once more, press the mat as you exhale. And inhale, come back. Once again, press and release. You may close your eyes and just do this. Press your back into the mat and let go. Relax totally. This is the only relaxation you're going to get today. So let's begin. Let's inhale. Let's stretch our arms up, 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 up. And as we exhale, slowly come up towards the knees. Inhale, come back, exhale, come up. Inhale, you can even take the hands back if you feel like. Exhale, come up. Inhale, go back. Exhale, come up. Inhale, go back. Exhale, up. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. No crash landing as we come down. Inhale slowly. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And stretch out the legs, just a little warming up here for our practice. Now as you inhale, take the right leg up, point the toe up towards the ceiling. And slowly lift the left leg also off the ground. Now take the right down, bring the left up. Take the left down, right up. You can keep your hands underneath your buttocks if you need a little extra support. So being mindful of the movements, right, left. If this is too difficult, you can do it with one leg at a time, like this, and continue right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Keep the toe pointed. Right, left. Just 3 more. Right, left. 2 left, right, left, right, left. The last one. Right, left. Now bring both the feet up. Breathe in. And slowly bend the legs at the knees as you exhale. Hug them into the chest. Take one more breath in. And breathe out. Inhale. And exhale. Now slowly try to lift your shoulders up off the mat. And your neck also wants to go up towards the ceiling. So not crunching the head in, but rather let it go upwards. Now stretch out the right leg, and now bend the right one, stretch out the left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Slowly come down. Now stretch out the legs, and you can keep your hands underneath your buttocks if you need to. Point the toes out and slowly we will just lift the legs up. See that your lower back goes against the floor. If it is coming too off, you can keep your knees bent as well. So taking your pick, slowly bring the feet up and very slowly bring the feet down. See if you can smile in this posture as well. Inhale, bring it up. Exhale, bring it down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Last one. And slowly exhale, come down. Inhale, take the hands up. Stretch the hands up, up, up. Keep stretching them. Hands are parallel to each other and keep taking them back. Stretch the body in opposite directions. Feel the body getting stretched. Stretch the feet, stretch the toes, stretch a little more, little more. And now exhale and come up. Inhale, go back. Exhale. Continuing on your own, coming down and up. Down and up. Down, up, not crash landing, down, up with total control, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. 3 more times. Down, up, down, up, down, and stay there. Once more. Stretch the hands back. Stretch the toes. Stretch the whole body. Stretching just a little more. Stretch, stretch, feel that stretch right in the navel, as if from the navel the body is being pulled in 2 opposite directions. Inhale and slowly exhaling, bring the hands down by the sides of the body. Bend both the legs at the knees. Slowly inhale and exhale. Inhale, lift up the chest, take the hands back, and now inhaling, come up into the tabletop, reverse tabletop position. Exhale, bring the hips down. Inhale and come up. If you're a little more adventurous, you can keep the hands a little more distance away. Inhale, come up. And as you exhale, without the hips touching the ground, straighten the legs at the knees, take the hips back. Inhale, come up, drop the head back. Exhale, take the hips back, close to the hands. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. The hips are not touching the ground here. Inhale, exhale. If this is too difficult, you can just do the first variation, coming up and down. Inhale, come up, head drops. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, and stay there. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, and slowly exhale, come down, stretch out your legs, stretching the feet out, take the hands a little behind you. One more breath in and exhale totally. Slowly, see if you can lift the hips, the knees are straight, drop the head back if possible. You can stretch out your feet, let them be on the ground, let the head drop. If this is difficult, you can do the reverse tabletop again. Keep breathing, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Just 3 more breaths. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Last one, you can do it. Inhale and slowly exhale. Come down, stretched out, lie down. Take a breath in and breathe out. Totally relax completely. We'll make the mm sound 3 times. Inhale. Breathe in. Breathe in. If you feel like, you can rest for a minute or 2 and repeat this whole thing once more. Or you may just rest and relax. We hope you enjoyed today's yoga session. If you did, do let us know in the comments. May you stay fit and calm.